going to win a raffle, a scooter? Who's going to win a helmet? Who's going to win a trip to Cancun? Only those that buy a raffle have a chance. How would you like to say, I went to Cancun for $5? I don't know, I'd love to be able to say that, but I can't participate in the raffle. I need somebody to buy me a raffle, buy a raffle and give it to me. I need a vacation. Get your raffles over here at the golf cart, just $5. The prizes are, we have 4 scooters and helmets and a bike, all courtesy of Belletti Bikes.